Hello soulmates, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'll be learning how to embellish this fabric with stone. So let's get into class. We'll be needing our white cotton fabric, our iron, electric iron, then your desired stone. So for this particular project I will be making use of the flower that you can see on the fabric. I'm not going to be stoning everything, just the petals or the flower. So you arrange the stone according to how you want your stone to be, the amount of stone that you want. After that, you place your white cotton fabric. You can use handkerchief to just to protect our Ankara fabric. Then you place the iron to it. You set it, you allow it to heat up for some seconds or probably some minutes, depending on how powerful your iron is. And that's it, guy. We've come to the end of this class. If you find this video helpful, like, comment, share with others. So me, thank you.